Hey Xmind team, I just wanted to show you the crashes that I'm getting for version 3.3. I thought I'll just record what's actually happening, so maybe it'll be easier for you guys to troubleshoot. So Xmind is loading right now, and yeah, my computer's a little slow. I need to defrag the hard drive. And it's up, and it's gone. So I'm gonna try loading it again. And there it goes. One more time. No luck. But if I hover my mouse over the new workbook area, it seems to have stopped the crash. Even though it looks like the templates didn't fully load, because I don't see the names, but at least it didn't crash. So I'm going to try loading it again. No, it still crashes. And no, that looks good. So maybe it's like a 50-50. If my mouse is over the new workbook area, there's a 50% chance it crashes. Yeah, see, as soon as I move my mouse away and I try to load it, it just crashes back to the old behavior. But if I hover over, move my mouse over the new workbook area, it seems fine. No, that crashes. But again, my mouse is away from the new workbook area. And this time it didn't crash. So yeah, it's really weird. And the reason I discovered this was one of your support people, Steven Zhu. He told me, or he suggested that I try to close the new workbook area before it loads. And when I did that, yeah, it stopped the crash from happening. But I noticed that I didn't need to actually close the new workbook dialog box. I just need to hover my mouse and make sure to move around that area, then it's fine. See, like right now it's going to keep crashing. Even though my mouse was just over it, if it's not moving, it'll still crash. But if I move it, it seems to stop the crash from happening.